Kenapa mesti berbuat?
Hello, mabuhay! Welcome to Lopez Island, the home of the Mayan Island. I'm Wayne. I'm Giselle. I'm Abby. We are a member of SLAN, a strategic alliance for networking on this ability. Kahit PWD, we are always ready to welcome you! Let's welcome our beloved Municipal Mayor, Honorable Andrea Cherimpel Gutierrez Cagas.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to Lopezina. Allow me to introduce to you one by one ang aming mga elected officials and department heads. So this is Vice Gov Rowena Gutierrez, Vice Mayor Bunjing Herbisi. May I request our department heads and everyone to stay here in front. Vice Mayor Bunjing. Our municipal accountant, Ma'am Joren Magamay. Our municipal assessor, Ma'am Annie Rose Anuhos. Our economic enterprise development officer, Ma'am Filma Maginay. Our social welfare and development officer, Ma'am Laarni Caroro. Our municipal budget officer, Ma'am Lynn Balangao. Our municipal planning and development coordinator, Ma'am Martino Befranca. Our municipal councilors, we have Honorable Roland Magsayo, Honorable June Macana, and Honorable Pe Francisca Taclo. We also have our tourism officer na sa likod ni siya. Miss Janelle Magsayo. Okay. Also, our municipal administrator, Attorney Carmelito Subili. Our MDRRMO, nag-assist sa namin, Engineer Darlie Paredes. And ang OIC, Police Captain Henry Buesa. Pwede ta mulantaw sa ito ang welcome dance. Money dance.
Cara,